Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential concept for businesses, big or small. It's called the break-even point. Why is it important? Well, it's the magic number where your total costs equal your total revenue, and you're neither making a loss nor a profit. Let's break it down step by step. What is the break-even point? The break-even point is the number of units you need to sell to cover all your costs. It helps you understand the financial health of your business and make smarter pricing and production decisions. Let's use an example to make this clearer. Question 1. A company uses cost volume profit (CVP) analysis to evaluate a new product. The total fixed cost of production is $600,000. If the product would break even with 10,000 units sold per year, and the unit variable cost is $25, the unit selling price is? Here's how the calculation works. First, you determine the break-even units, which is 10,000 units. Next, you plug these numbers into the formula 10,000 equals 600,000 divided by the selling price minus 25. Simplifying further, the selling price minus 25 equals 600,000 divided by 10,000. So, selling price minus variable cost equals $60. To find the selling price, you add the variable cost to the result. Selling price equals $60 plus $25, which gives us $85. So, to break even, you'll need to sell your product at $85 each while selling 10,000 units. And there you have it, an easy way to calculate your break-even point. Remember, understanding this concept is crucial for setting the right price, planning your sales strategy, and growing a sustainable business. Now we'll learn how to calculate the annual fixed costs of a company using break-even analysis. This is a super useful concept for business owners and students alike. So let's jump in. A company breaks even at an annual sales volume of 75,000 units. Their actual annual sales volume was 100,000 units. They reported an operating income of $200,000. Using this information, we want to calculate the annual fixed costs. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Understanding the formula. The formula to find fixed costs is fixed costs equals break-even point in units multiplied by unit contribution margin, or UCM. But wait, we first need to calculate the unit contribution margin, or UCM, using the data provided. Step 2. Calculating the unit contribution margin. To find the UCM, we use the increase in operating income and the additional units sold. UCM equals increase in operating income divided by additional units sold. Now let's do the math. The additional units sold were 100,000 minus 75,000, which equals 25,000. The operating income reported was $200,000. Plugging these values into the formula, UCM equals 200,000 divided by 25,000, which equals $8 per unit. Step 3. Finding fixed costs. Now, we calculate the fixed costs using the formula fixed costs equals break-even point in units multiplied by UCM, which is 75,000 times 8. The result is fixed costs equals $600,000. And there you have it. The annual fixed costs for the company are $600,000. This calculation highlights the importance of understanding your break-even point and unit contribution margin. Lastly, we'll tackle an exciting topic: calculating the break-even point and fixed costs of a company using its sales, contribution margin ratio, and margin of safety. Before we start, let's understand what the margin of safety is. Margin of safety, or MOS, measures how much sales can drop before a business starts making a loss. It shows the difference between actual or expected sales and the break-even sales level. It's essentially a risk cushion for your business. The formula for the margin of safety is margin of safety equals budgeted sales minus break-even sales. Let's dive into a practical example to make things clear. Question 3. A company has sales of one of its products of $400,000 per year and a contribution margin ratio of 20%. Its margin of safety is $40,000. What is the company's break-even point? Here's the situation we're working on today. A company has annual sales of $400,000 for one of its products. Its contribution margin ratio, or CMR, is 20%. And the margin of safety is $40,000. We need to find two things: the company's break-even point and its fixed costs. To find the break-even point, we use the formula BEP equals budgeted sales minus margin of safety. Here are the numbers. Budgeted sales is $400,000 and the margin of safety is $40,000. Plugging these values into the formula BEP equals 400,000 minus 40,000, which equals 360,000. So, the company's break-even point is $360,000 in annual sales. Step 2. Fixed costs. Now, to find the fixed costs, we use the contribution margin ratio, or CMR, along with the break-even point. The formula is fixed costs equals BEP multiplied by contribution margin ratio. Using the data, BEP is $360,000 and CMR is 20%, or 0.2. Plugging in the values, fixed costs equals $360,000 multiplied by 0.2, which equals $72,000. So the company's fixed costs amount to $72,000. And that's it. Using just a few financial metrics, we calculated that the company breaks even at $360,000 and its fixed costs are $72,000. This kind of analysis is incredibly helpful for making informed decisions about pricing, budgeting, and managing risk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable business insights. See you next time.